Hello and welcome to SimpliSeal. My name is Johnny, and let me walk you through the steps to assemble and submit your bid on our platform. First, just sign into your SimpliSeal account and arrive at the dashboard view. At the dashboard view, select one of the bids that you're currently participating in, like this bid for installing a new roof. You will arrive at the overview section of the bid. Click on Assemble My Bid to begin building it out. In the top text box, fill out a description of your bid, as well as all important offerings and details that you'd like to include as part of your final bid. In the bottom left, you may upload any necessary documents that you'd also like to include as part of your final bid. Finally, in the bottom right box, you will enter your desired total bid price. Please note that bids cannot be submitted until 48 hours prior to the bid due date to allow questions to be answered in our Scope Q&A forum. Before final submission, you'll see a summary of what you're about to submit. It's here that you'll have the option to check the box for price guarantee and scope Q&A. This makes your bid stand out and allows decision makers and facilitators to hold you accountable to the price you stated and all details covered in our scope Q&A. Lastly, check the box to agree to our terms of service and privacy policy and click Submit Final Bid to submit your bid to our platform, where it will remain sealed until all bids are submitted or the due date expires. Whether you win or lose the bid, you will be notified via email once a decision has been made. Congratulations, you've now successfully assembled and submitted your bid. This is SimpliSeal, and together we make bidding better.